Hello students, in today's session, concepts on indefinite integration, integration by parts will be cleared through illustrations taken from NCERT Exercise 7.6. In earlier session, we have gone through all very basic concepts through illustrations taken from NCERT exercise mentioned here, which you can review on YouTube channel sethiswiftlearn. In today's session, we are going to discuss by parts, integration by parts. What is the criteria of selection of first function, second function, right? It is requested go through the complete session. Now, let's start with the question and concepts. Question is integrate x sine 3x. Question is taken from NCERT Exercise 7.6. Concept applicable and solution. Topic is integration by parts. Integration by parts, we have to consider two functions, one fx, one gx. One fx, one gx. Then in this case we have to select one function as first function, one function as second function. Criteria of selection of first function and second function is ILATE. I for inverse trigonometric, logarithmic, algebraic, E trigonometric, and E exponential. These are criteria of selection of first source. Whichever comes first, that will be the first. Integration by parts. So in this case, x sine 3x dx. This is algebraic. This is sine 3x. This is trigonometric. According to which is coming up here, algebraic. So this will be first function, trigonometric will be second function. Then according to the formula, integration product of two functions. Then integrated to integrated, first function into second function. Then formula is first function integration second function. First function integration of second minus whole integration of differentiation of first function into integration of second function whole integration, right? Now in this case, first function is sin x, second function is sin 3x. So by parts, integration of x sin 3x will be equal to first function x into integration of sin of 3x minus d by dx of x into integration of sin 3x dx of integration, right? So this comes out to is first function into integration second, x into integration second minus cos of 3x divided by 3 minus integration 1 minus cos of 3x divided by 3 dx. If you simplify it, minus x by 3 cos of 3x minus plus, then integration of, we taken 3 common here, cos of 3x dx. On simplification, x by 3 cos of 3x plus 1 by 3 into cos integration sin of 3x divided by 3 plus c. The answer will be minus x by 3 cos of 3x plus 1 by 9 sine of 3x plus c. This is the answer. Right? Next question. Question is integrate x square into e to the power x. Concept applicable and solution. This question has been taken from exercise 7.6 NCERT. Topic is integration by parts. Integration by parts में integral of product of two functions का formula applicable है. First function into integration second function minus integration of differential first function into integration of second function. Is whole का integration. In mathematical form, this is written here. Suppose this is the first function, this is the second function. First function, integration second, minus whole integration. This whole integration, differentiation of first function into integration second function. Criteria selection of first function, second function is according to ILATE. I for inverse trigonometric function, L for logarithmic, A for algebraic, T for trigonometric, and E for exponential, which is coming earlier, that will be the first function. Now in this question is x square into e to the power x dx. Here x square is algebraic, e to the power x is exponential. X square, this is first function, this is second function. This is first function, this is second function. Now according to the formula, first function, integration of second function, minus differentiation of first function into integration of second function, whole integration. That comes out to x square into e to the power x minus 2x into e to the power x dx. Again, it is product of two functions. Product of two functions. It is again a product of two functions. So by parts, minus 2, this will be first function, this will be second function. First function, integration second function, e to the power x, minus differentiation of first function, 1 into e to the power x. Right? So this comes out to be dx. This comes out further, minus 2 x e to the power x, minus plus, this is minus 2 x square e to the power x minus plus 2 integration e to the power x dx. X square e to the power x minus 2x e to the power x plus 2 e to the power x plus c. So answer will be x square minus 2x plus 2 e to the power x plus c. Finally, this is the answer. In this case, we apply two times product formula, right? Next question. Question is integrate x into log of 2x, that is x log 2x dx. Question is taken from NCERT Exercise 7.6. Concept applicable and solution. Integration by parts. Integration by parts is applicable when there are two functions generally, or one function and integration that is not known, then one is to be taken as the other function. Integration of parts में product of two functions, first function into integration of second function minus integration of differentiation of first function into integration of second function, whole integration. That is the formula. Criteria of selection of first function, second function is ILATE. I for inverse trigonometric, L for logarithmic, A for algebraic, T for trigonometric, E for exponential. Now let's start with the question. I equal to x log of 2x dx. X log of 2x dx. Now in this case, one function is one is x, another function is log 2x. Log 2x. According to this, which is coming earlier, L. Logarithmic is first function. This will be the first function, this will be the algebraic function. This is logarithmic, this is algebraic. The formula is integration of first function into second function. First function, integration of second function, minus differentiation of first function, integration of second function, whole integration. Now, therefore, this integration comes out to be first function is log of 2x into integration of second minus d by dx of log of 2x into integration of x dx, whole integration. Right? Now, log of 2x into x squared by 2, power formula, minus 1 by 2x into 2 into x squared by 2 dx. X squared by 2 log of 2x minus this 2 goes 1 by 2 x dx. This comes out to be further x squared by 2 log of 2x minus 1 by 2 into x squared by 2 plus c, that is x squared by 2 log of 2x minus x squared by 4 plus c. This is the answer. This is the answer. Right? Next question. Question is integrate x into sine of inverse x. Question is taken from exercise 7.6 NCERT. Concept applicable in solution. Question based on by parts. On by parts, we have to take first function, we have to take second function. Here is already two functions are there. Criteria selection of first function, this is according to this. The integration is x sine of inverse x dx. Now x is the algebraic and sine inverse so this will be the first function, this will be the second function. Now by parts. First function into integration of second minus integration of differentiation of first function into integration of second whole integration. This is the formula, right? On simplification, we get sine of inverse x into x squared by 2 minus 1 over under root 1 minus x square into x squared by 2 dx. On simplification, 1 by 2 sine of inverse x into x square minus 1 by 2 x square upon under root 1 minus x square dx. Let this is I1, this is I, this is equation 1. Now, I1 will be equal to, I1 is x square under root 1 minus x square. पुट किया हमने x equal to sin theta. dx will be equal to cos theta. I1 reduces to, I1 will be equal to integration, that is x square sin square theta into dx cos theta d theta upon cos theta. This comes out to be sin square d theta. Right? Now using half angle formula, this can be written as 1 minus cos 2 theta divided by 2 d theta. That is 1 by 2 integration d theta minus 1 by 2 integration cos of 2 theta. On further 1 by 2 theta minus 1 by 2 sin of 2 theta divided by 2 plus c. That is equal to 1 by 2 theta minus 1 by 4 2 sin theta into cos theta. This is I1. You know, we have put sin theta equal to x. So x 1 under root 1 minus x square. So 1 by 2 theta is sin of inverse x minus 1 by 2 sin theta x under root 1 minus x square plus c. This is I1. Now, substituting in equation 1 above, I will be equal to x square by 2 sin of inverse x minus 1 by 2. This is I1. This is I1. 1 by 2, this is we have taken I1. So this is I1. So 1 by 2 sin of inverse x minus 1 by 2 x under root 1 minus x square. 1 minus x square. On simplification, x square by 2 sin inverse x minus 1 by 4 sin inverse x plus 1 by 4 x under root 1 minus x square plus c. If we take common, sin inverse x take common, 2x square minus 1, this comes out to be 1 by 4 sin inverse x plus 1 by 4 x under root 1 minus x square plus c. This would be the answer. This would be the answer. Right? Next question. Before start of the next question, I would like to say that these concept clearing videos for the purpose of 11th standard, 12th standard, state boards, CBSE board, JEE Main, JEE Advanced, NEET, CUET, and other examination. These concept clearing videos are very, very helpful and useful, which you can review on YouTube channel sethiswiftlearn. In addition to this, I would like to say that these papers, complete video of discussions are available on sethiswiftlearn YouTube channel, which you can review on sethiswiftlearn. In addition to this, further, these papers, detailed solution with additional information available on website sethiswiftlearn.com. You can visit the site and have the solution. इसी के साथ साथ मैं रिक्वेस्ट करना चाहूँगा कि अगर अभी तक आपने YouTube चैनल sethiswiftlearn सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया, प्लीज सब्सक्राइब इट एंड शेयर विद योर colleagues and friends. Now let's start with the question. Question is integrate sine of inverse x whole square dx. Question is taken from NCERT Exercise 7.6, question number 9. Concept, applicable and solution. This is a question of 5 parts. For 5 parts, essential condition is 2 functions should be there. In this case, 1 function is given to you. 1 function is given to another function because its integration directly of sine inverse x is not known. Then you have to use the concept of integration by parts. But for integration by parts, we need 2 functions. So one is to be taken as second function and another function, and that is to be considered algebraic. Right? Now, integration of sine of inverse x whole square into 1 dx. According to ILATE, inverse trigonometric function is the first function, 1 is the algebraic function, this is the second function. By parts. First function is sine of inverse x whole square into integration of second function dx minus all integration differentiation of sine of inverse x whole square into integration of 1 dx. This is the integration part, right? Now, sine of inverse x into x minus 2 sine of inverse x into 1 minus x square into x dx. This comes out to the simplification. Sine of inverse x into x minus 2 sine of inverse x upon under root 1 minus x square. Dear, considering this as I1. First of all, we will solve I1, then we put it, mark this as equation 1, this is equal to I. Right? Now, next to solve I1. Now, I1 will be equal to sine of inverse x into x upon under root 1 minus x square dx. Put किया x equal to sin theta, then dx equal to cos theta d theta, and as this is theta sin theta x1 under root 1 minus x square. On back substitution, this will be helpful. Sine of inverse x, that is theta into sin theta into cos theta d theta in place of dx divided by under root 1 minus cos square theta, that is sin square theta, 1 minus sin, that is cos theta. On simplification, this comes out to be this one. Further, this goes theta sin theta d theta. It is again 2 functions, again by parts. This is I1. So theta is algebraic, sin theta. According to ILATE, algebraic and trigonometric. This will be the first function, this will be the second function. So first function, theta into integration of minus cos theta minus differentiation of first 1 into minus cos theta d theta. That is minus theta cos theta minus minus plus cos theta d theta. On further simplification, this comes out to be minus theta cos theta integration sin theta plus c. Back substitution. Theta is sine of inverse x minus sine of inverse x into cos theta. Cos theta is under root 1 minus x square plus sin theta. Sin theta is x, that is x plus c. This is I1. Substituting in equation 1, we get equation 1. I will be equal to x into sin inverse x into sin inverse x whole square, this whole square. I will be equal to x into sin of inverse x whole square minus 2 sin of inverse x under root 1 minus x square plus x plus c. So on simplification, this comes out to be x sin of inverse x whole square, then this is minus sign. So minus plus 2 sin of inverse x under root 1 minus x square and minus 2x plus c. This is the answer. Right? इंटीग्रेशन बाई पार्ट्स क्वेश्चन में एक दफे भी करनी पड़ सकती है, 2 दफे भी करनी पड़ सकती है, 3 दफे भी करनी पड़ सकती है, रीअरेंजमेंट भी करना पड़ सकता है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन में रीअरेंजमेंट का करूंगा कि I1 विल बी इक्वल टू I, उसको राइट हैंड साइड शिफ्ट करके लेफ्ट हैंड साइड शिफ्ट उसको अरेंज करेंगे। राइट, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। क्वेश्चन इज इंटीग्रेट e की पावर 2x sin x. Question is taken from NCERT Exercise 7.6. Concept application by parts. By parts is applicable when there are two functions. Product of two functions, substitution is not possible. Then this formula is applicable, right? And criteria selection of first function, second function according to ILATE. I for inverse trigonometric, L for logarithmic, A for algebraic, T for trigonometric, E for exponential. Right? Now, this is I equal to e की power 2x sin x dx. Now, one is exponential, is the last one, second function. Trigonometric is first function. By parts. By parts. First function into integration of second function minus differentiation of first function into integration of second function. This comes out to same. Right? This comes out to 1 by 2 sin x e की power 2x minus 1 by 2 cos of x e की power 2x dx. Again we get two functions in trigonometric exponential. This is the second function, this is the first function. Again by parts. Again by parts. This comes out to be 1 by 2 sin of inverse sin of x into e की power 2x minus 1 by 2. Taken common. First function cos x into e की power 2x divided by 2 minus sin x into e की power 2x divided by 2 dx. On further simplification, minus 1 by 2, sorry, this is equal sin of x into e की power 2x minus 1 by 4 cos x e की power 2x minus plus again minus 1 by 4 integration of sin x into e to the power 2x dx. This is I. This is again I from equation 1. From equation 1. We started it from this by applying by parts 2 times, we get again the same expression. तो उसको replace कर दिया I से. So this comes out to be 1 by 2 sin x into e to the power 2x minus 1 by 4 cos of x into e to the power 2x minus 1 by 4 I. This is I. Rearranging. Rearranging में क्या आएगा? This will become I plus 1 by 4i, that is 5 by 4i, equal to e to the power 2x 1 by 2 into sin x minus 1 by 4 cos x into e to the power 2x. तो सिंप्लीफाई कर दिया हमने, ये 4 इधर चला जाएगा, तो I will be equal to 4 by 5 into 1 by 4 by 5 into e to the power 2x taken common 1 by 2 sin x minus 1 by 4 cos x plus c. 4 लिया common, तो 1 by 5 e to the power 2x, this become 2 sin x minus cos x plus c. ये 4 से 4 cancel हो जाएगा, that will be the answer. This is the answer, right? In such type of question, e to the power x into sine or cos है, so we will integrate 2 times. After 2 times, we will get the same expression as we started from the question. But replace this side by I, rearrange it, find the answer, right? Now, I would like to request, if you are new to my YouTube channel, sethiswiftlearn, please like and subscribe to my channel and press bell icon to receive updates on concept killing videos. Thank you.